2013 Ford Transit Connect XLT brake pads replacement. After you got the van jacked up, turn the wheel so you can access the back of the caliper. There are 2 plastic covers that you need to remove, one at the bottom and one at the top. After you got those removed, you're going to need a 7mm hex key in order to remove the 2 bolts that were under those covers. Loosen that up. Loosen it, and then you got to kind of wiggle it in order to get these bolts out. And then you can grab it and pull it out. That's one. Then there's one on the top. I had to remove the hex key from the whole set because the brake line is right here and it's really hard to maneuver. It's still hard to maneuver, as you can see, but we gonna get it done. Piece by piece. Wiggle it out. Same thing as the other one. And grab it. It's gonna come right out. Next, get you a flathead screwdriver, pop off the spring clip, open your brake fluid reservoir, and then you want to use that same flathead to push the piston in as much as possible. Next, make sure you got a zip tie or something. Slide off the caliper, pop off the inner brake pad, then you want to tie up your brake caliper. Remove the outer brake pad. Get your new brake pads, open up the box, grab a pack of them, bust open the plastic. New brake pads. Look at the old one compared to the new one. Yeah. Next, you want to get a wire brush or some sandpaper. I didn't have a wire brush. Clean off any debris or rust that you see right here on the contact points where your new brake pads will be. Then you want to put some brake lubricant right there in those same spots. Slide in the outer brake pad. Loosen your brake caliper, bring it down, and then you pop in the inner brake pad, like so. Slide on the caliper, and you do everything in reverse. Put your 2 bolts in, catch the other one at the top, same thing. Then I just reattach the 7mm hex key to the rest of the set to be able to tighten these up. Put your plastic covers back on like that. Go back around to the front. Put on your spring clip. I like to start with the bottom and then hold the top one in place and then use a screwdriver to slide it in place. Then just tap it with a hammer. Make sure it's all the way on. Make sure you got everything on and in place. Check it out. Go ahead and straighten that wheel up, put your tire back on, drop it down, do the same thing for the other side, close your brake fluid reservoir, and you good to go.